Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn Not Cute Anymore by ILLIT. This is such a cute dance and I love it so much, so I wanted to teach it to you guys today. Let's get started. So for the chorus, you take your hand like this and you put it in the middle, like kind of in the middle halfway of your face, like so. Okay, and as you do that, your right leg's gonna go like that, and you're gonna bend like this. So you go 1. Okay, so as you do that, after you do that, you still kind of bending like this. Your right hand is gonna go out like that, and as your right hand goes out, your head is going to tilt slowly to the right. So your hand's going to the left and your head is tilting to the right, and her thumb's kind of like this over it. Her thumb is kind of like that, but that doesn't matter. But it's like a nice point, you know, to remember. So she goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we were here. For the next part, you're going to put your finger in like a pointing finger, like so. Okay, so you're going to take your pointing finger and you're going to go to your head. So, and as you do that, so we're here and like that, as you do that, your right hip is going to go up. Okay, so it's going to go up like that. So then when you pick up your right hip, you're going to put it down again. So 1. So up, down, and then we go out. Okay, we take our right leg out. So it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we kind of tilt like that. So it's I'm not cute, up, down, and as you take your leg out like this, you must be pointing to the right. You're gonna take your hand, your right hand, and it's gonna go from your head here. It's gonna go out like that. Okay. So it's gonna go around like that. Now from here, we were here. You're gonna take your right hand and you're gonna put it under your head like this, and your left hand comes here. So you're gonna go 1, 2, and as I do that, they kind of lean 1 and 2. Then after that move, we're gonna repeat the first few moves that we did. So they go I'm not cute, bring your hip up, down and around, and then we're going to do that same move like that, but our head is only going to go once. Okay, so it's only going to go once, and our hands are still in the same position. So once, okay, and as we do that, we're bringing our right leg together with our left leg. So 1, okay. So, and you kind of bend when you do it again. So it's 1. So they went, I'm not cute anymore, and together. Okay. So after that move, we were here. We're gonna take our leg out like how we had it. Okay. For this part, when we went like that, and we're going to move our hand out like this. Okay, so your left hand is over your right hand, and you're gonna move your hand out like this. And as you move your hand out like that, you're going to look, okay, to the left. Okay, so it's like that. Okay, so you're kind of leaning on this leg, on the left leg. So you bring your hands out, and then your right hand's going to go on the top of your head, and your middle finger is touching like the top of your head here, and then the left hand's going to go on the bottom by your chin, and you're going to, from here, you're going to bring your head to look front. Okay, that's why you need to be looking to the left, so that we can bring our head to the right. Okay, so we were here and we bring our head to the right, and now that we're in this position, our right hand's gonna move like this, okay, and we go like that. Let me show you this up close. So we were here, we move here, we move like that. Okay, so I hope that helps. So we were here, then we move our head to the front, move it to the side. Now that we're here and our hands look like this, we're gonna bring our hands out like that. So we're gonna whoop, okay? And as we do that, we're gonna move, okay? So we're gonna go whoop, like so. So now we are going to do the first part in 0.5 times speed. I'm not going to play the song due to copyright reasons, but I will guide you. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hip up, down, and around. 1, 2. I'm not cute. Hip up, down, and around. And 1. Hands up, front, side, and out. Okay, so we're gonna move to the right. Okay, so we move to the right and our hands are gonna go out like this. So we're gonna move to the right and it's gonna go out like that. Then we're gonna put our legs together and our hands are gonna come like this. And we're gonna open, close, open, close, open, close. And as we do that, our body is moving this way. Okay, and so we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're gonna pause when it's open. So it's 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we put our hands down like this after that move. Okay, so we still like this. Okay, put them down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down. Then the right hand's gonna come to the back. I'm gonna look up. Okay, and as we look up, this hand's still here. Okay, we're looking up. And then we're gonna move our head down like this. And when we move our head down, our arms, let me just come closer. Our right hand is coming to the top of our head like this, and your pinky is on your head. Okay, so it's from here, we look up, then we look down, and our head tilts to the left. And when we look down, the left hand's gonna come here to the side. Okay, so 1, up, down. Okay, so from here we were like this. Now your left shoulder is going to come to the top and we're going to move it down. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we do that 4 times. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm just going to come closer so you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I hope you can see that. After our 4th one, okay, we're like this. Our hands are going to come out this time. So last time we went like that, but this time we're going out. And as we go out, our right leg's going to come out and we're going to go 1. So we can move to the side. Okay, so we go 1, 2. Okay, so 1, and as you bounce back. So 1, 2, and now your right hand's by your face like this, and it's in this position, okay? And your left hand's here by your hip, because your left hand's gonna go 1, 2. It's going around and around, and then it's gonna go up. Okay, 1, 2, up. What we're gonna do with our legs is we go 1, 2, and then we pick it up. Okay, 1, 2, up. Okay, so from pa, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna move our right leg over, and as we do that, our hands are gonna go 1. So we drop it down and up. Okay, so 1, and then we move our left leg. We move our left leg to the front. Okay, so we're like da, da. Our right hand and our left hand, we're crossing it. Okay, so we're just crossing our right hand left hand. So we are here 1, 2, and now you know that like a trend where they clap like this, like So what they do is they go 1. So we're here, there, okay, and just 1. And as you do that, your right leg comes up, cute, and then they do the same head movement. And as you move your head, your left leg's coming together, okay, like that. Then, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, so 1, and as you do that, the head kind of tilts, okay, 2, 3, 4. Now what we're going to do is we're going to move our head to the right. 1, 2, 3 times. As we do that, we're going to bring out our right leg. Our hand is still like this. So from here, we go 1, 2, 3. And as we do that, we're going 1, 2, 3, we're leaning. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to take your left hand and you're going to come around like that and move your body, and then that's it. Okay, so around that.
Okay, so let's try part 2 in 0.5 times speed. And out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down, up, 1, 2, 3, and 4, out, 1, 2, and 3. I'm not cute anymore. 1, 2, 3, and out. Now let's try the full thing in 0.5 times speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, up, down, and around. 1 and 2. I'm not cute, and hip up, hip down, and around. And 1. Hands to the left, look front, side, and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, up, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Out, 1, 2, 3, and I'm not cute anymore. 1, 2, 3, and out.
Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you learn the dance. And if you do learn the dance from my tutorial, I would love to see it actually. So if you do and you like to post it, you could post it on Instagram and tag me. Here's my Instagram account. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Let me know what other tutorials you would like actually. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Love you guys so much. Bye bye.